Welcome to AI Lessons in Under 5 Minutes. Today, we're exploring how coffee shop owners can use Perplexity AI to research their competition and find ways to stand out in a competitive market. Whether you're starting a new coffee shop or looking to grow your existing business, knowing what your competitors are doing is key. For this demonstration, we'll look at Hidden Grounds Coffee, a well-known local chain in New Jersey, to show you how easy it is to gather valuable insight. Let's dive in. Let's say you run a coffee shop and want to understand how Hidden Grounds Coffee is positioning itself in the market. Instead of scrolling through their website and reviews manually, we'll ask Perplexity AI to summarize their strategy. If you open up Perplexity AI and then enter in the query, what are the strengths, weaknesses, and market positioning of Hidden Grounds Coffee in New Jersey? As you can see here, it first identifies the resources to gather this information, and then it will provide a response. In just a few seconds, Perplexity AI gives us a summary. It tells us what the strengths are, what the weaknesses are, and its market position. Now you know what makes them stand out and where they might fall short. This overview helps you start thinking about how you can compete more effectively. Next, let's dive into the specific products and services they offer. We want to see if they have any signature drinks or unique features that keep customers coming back. So, at the bottom of the screen, put in the new query, what products and features does Hidden Grounds Coffee offer to attract customers? Here we go. Perplexity AI tells us that they offer specialty coffee, a diverse menu, innovative flavors. They have a customer loyalty program. Their atmosphere and amenities are solid, and they have a community focus. These insights show us what's working for them and help you spot opportunities. For example, if you notice their focus on vegan pastries, you might consider adding a seasonal or locally sourced treats that they don't offer to set yourself apart. So here's the key. AI-powered research gives you quick insights. But the magic happens when you turn those insights into strategy. Let's ask Perplexity AI for specific recommendations on how to differentiate your coffee shop from Hidden Grounds Coffee. Once again, on the bottom of the screen in the prompt window, let's put in the next query. Based on Hidden Grounds Coffee's strategy, suggest 3 ways I can differentiate my coffee shop. And here's what it suggests. Look at adding unique flavor fusions, establish a community-centric approach, and make sure you have a tech-savvy loyalty program. These recommendations give you specific ways to attract a different audience or offer value that Hidden Grounds doesn't. See how quick and easy that was? With Perplexity AI, you can turn hours of competitive research into just a few minutes of actionable insights. The key is asking the right questions and refining your queries to get exactly what you need. Try it yourself. Research one of your competitors today and see what insights you uncover. Like, comment, and follow for more daily AI strategies to help your business grow and thrive.